In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see download history on Google Play Store. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Play Store, and once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture. After that, select Manage Apps and Devices. Then right here tap at Manage, and that's where we can easily find download history for this device. Also, we can switch here to our another device if we have one. I got just one device here, so that's where I can check download history for that particular device. And also we can filter here applications by updates available. Also we can in this way find games and archived apps. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.